Seals are pinnips, a group of semi-aquatic marine mammals within the families Phocidae true seals, Otaridae eared seals, and Odobenidae walrus. Characterized by their streamlined bodies, seals are adapted for efficient swimming, with flipper-like limbs and a thick layer of blubber for insulation. They are carnivorous, feeding primarily on fish, squid, and other marine organisms, and use highly sensitive vibrissae whiskers to detect movement in the water. Seals are widely distributed across both polar and temperate coastal environments.